Okay, so for this one, we're given this equation and we're asked to find the equation of a line perpendicular to this equation containing the point 5, 0. So we have our point, and so this is like our xy that we're going to be able to use to find our y-intercept here in a second. And then this equation over here is going to give us slope. So the first thing I want to do is get y by itself. So let's go ahead and subtract that 3x on both sides. And so that's going to be negative y equals negative 3x plus 3. And then I will multiply both sides by negative 1 to make this positive y, so that we're in y equals mx plus b. So that gives me, oops, I didn't write my negative 1 over there, but there it is. So negative 1 times that's going to flip that to a positive 3x and then a minus 3. So that means my slope for my original equation is 3. So my slope perpendicular is going to be the reciprocal of that. So instead of 3 over 1, it's going to be 1/3. And then remember, a slope and its perpendicular slope always have opposite signs. So since this one's positive, this one is negative. And then now what we got to do is take this slope that we know and this point that we know and then use that to find our y-intercept. And so I can do that a couple of ways. I'm just going to use y equals mx plus b because I don't have that much room over here, so I'll use that one. But you could also use point slope form if you preferred. And so right here we would have y is 0 equals m, that's negative 1/3. X is 5 plus b. And so multiplying that, I get 0 equals negative 5/3 plus b. Add that over, and 5/3 equals b. And so then my equation should be y equals negative 1/3 x plus 5/3. So that should go through the point 5, 0 and be perpendicular to that line.